Close your eyes and let your senses surrender. Can you smell the pungent aroma of diesel mingling with the metallic tang of ancient rust? Can you feel the ground beneath you shuddering in synchrony with the deep, rhythmic combustion of cast iron? Welcome to the testing grounds of the engine history. Today we cast aside the plastic-shrouded machines of the modern era. Instead, we delve into a grand assembly of the most resilient classic engines ever forged. From the stoic hot bulb ignitions and brutal crawlers to the bizarre hybrid masterpieces of history. Breathe deeply, relax your mind, and let your ears be enveloped by the primal, metallurgical symphony of the past. Amidst this century-old gathering, the sheer endurance of the hot bulb legends, Land's Bulldog and Landini, commands our absolute attention. Stripped of modern starters or circuit boards, these beasts require a ritual of fire. A blowtorch must heat the cylinder head until it glows a fierce, incandescent red. As the flywheel is manually wrestled past the dead center, the decompression valve exhales a sharp, piercing hiss, followed by thick, velvety plumes of black smoke. The rhythmic thump-thump of the exhaust creates a hypnotic frequency, a mechanical lullaby designed to soothe every frayed nerve. If you find beauty in violent mechanics and seek refuge in these industrial acoustics, subscribe to the Engine History now. Your support provides the momentum we need to preserve these magnificent legacies. Setting the hot bulbs aside, the earth continues to tremble under the might of the agricultural crawlers. This is the realm of pure torque, where the silhouettes of McCormick, Fiat, John Deere, and Cletrac display their raw, unyielding power. The Hanomag K55, in particular, strikes the ground like a mechanical shockwave. Abandoning rubber tires for cast steel tracks, it bites into the earth, pulverizing every obstacle in its path. The symphony of metal-on-metal friction blending with the low, guttural growl of the diesel engine produces a powerful white noise effect. This is not a jarring sound, but a steadfast, metallic cadence that offers a sense of absolute tranquility for those addicted to the acoustics of heavy machinery. The assembly further unveils the milestones of early mechanization. Witness the farm maul, boasting its colossal red-painted steel wheels, striking a rhythmic beat as steady as a heavy-duty clockwork. Beside it lies the precision of Swiss engineering, the refined tolerances of Vevey, Meilly, and the elegant Boer gliding across the fields. Every component is exposed, from centrifugal belts and whirling saw blades to the stationary Benz engines radiating heat with every breath. Gravity-fed oilers drip thick golden grease onto the crankshafts, releasing that signature scent of a working shipyard. The intricate click-clack of gears and chains weaves a tapestry of stillness, effortlessly washing away the chaotic noise of the modern world. The most striking highlights of our testing ground are the hybrids carrying the weight of military history. Do not look away from the Kettenkrad, a half-motorcycle, half-tank marvel that once devoured wartime terrain, now crawling with stoic grace. We also find the 1941 Hanomag SS-20 tractor, its boxy cabin exhaling defiant clouds of smoke. Even the snow track, with its rubber tracks, maintains a flawlessly smooth rotation. Most haunting of all are the ancestors of the automobile, early engine-mounted carriages, where the friction of wood and forged iron creates a sharp, evocative resonance. Moving with deliberate slowness, they represent the very dawn of the era of pressurized power. We conclude this mechanical odyssey with an engine that shatters all conventional parameters, the custom-built Grobian G KHV10. Transcending its tractor origins, it carries a massive V10 block fitted with upright, chrome-plated exhaust stacks. When all 10 cylinders ignite in unison, a deafening wave of pressure strikes the chest, only to settle into a deep, mesmerizing growl. It is the ultimate testament to craftsmanship and inexhaustible power. As the gray smoke dissipates and the steel rims come to a final rest, the echo of expanding metal lingers in the air. History, cast in iron, lives within these frequencies. Thank you for breathing the smoke of history with us. We wish you a deep and peaceful rest.